Good morning, students. My name is Manpreet Singh. I'm making this video on the behalf of Opera IELTS PTE Patiala. Today's task 2 topic is globalization has both advantages and disadvantages. Discuss. So it's generally advantage disadvantage essay. That means we would be making two paragraphs, one for advantages and other for disadvantages. So it's generally a 50-50 structure. So have a look at intro. You have 10 seconds to read this. Kindly pause the video for 10 seconds and read this. Okay, although globalization impacts the whole world positively in terms of free trade and creation of innumerable job opportunities. So here we have two advantages. First is free trade and other is innumerable job opportunities. But its demerits like neo-colonialism as well as environmental degradation cannot be ignored. So we have two demerits also. So instead of paraphrasing and making it lengthy, simply go with although and yet structure, where in although you can give advantages and in yet disadvantages, or you can do vice versa also. So it clearly depends upon you, right? So here is a BP1. Kindly pause video for 40 to 50 seconds and read this. Okay, let's start. On the one hand, significant reduction in trade barriers is one of the preeminent advantages of globalization. So here it is a topic sentence. On the one hand, CC and significant reduction in trade barrier is topic idea, and after that I have the signpost is one of the preeminent. Sorry, I have written this two times, so I need to remove this. Preeminent advantages, right, of globalization. So let's talk about elaboration. Since with its inception, economies had to be liberalized, which meant no longer adopting restrictions such as tariffs, duties, surcharge, licensing rules, and quotas. So these would be definitely working to make trade simple and more convenient. Coupled with it, due to liberalization, transnational corporations have established their subsidiaries in every continent relying on mass production. So it's a elaboration of part 2, but I haven't given the topic idea yet. So I'm going to give this in complex sentence. Owing to it, various vacancies have opened for unskilled, semi-skilled and skilled worker, and this process is still undergoing these days. So definitely we are well aware of this, right? So as conglomerates are establishing their bases in different part of the world, and people over there are getting jobs. So I have written this but in reverse manner. Firstly I have given the elaboration and then the topic idea in complex sentence. Consequently, it gave access to free market, creating new trade route. Probably living standard had been enhanced of those people who got employed. So it is a effect of my whole BP, and it is a combined effect of topic idea 1 and topic idea 2. So that was all about advantages. All right, let's talk about disadvantages. Kindly pause video for 30 to 40 seconds and read this. Okay, let's start. So it in this type of essay we can write signpost also. On the other hand, there are also few perils of worldwide integration, right? So let's talk about firstly, institution of capitalism are being utilized by first world countries to influence the economies of third world countries. So definitely we are talking about hegemony of western world, right? They are establishing their hegemony or dominance over third world country. For instance, the IMF and World Bank have termed as puppets of neoliberal onslaught by eminent political scientists, as the stance taken by them is often dictated by G7 nation which hold majority of voting power, right? So these nations, G7 nations, are deciding what IMF and World Bank would be doing. So definitely they are targeting the minority or the weaker economies, right? Because they have the voting right, or majority voting right, right? So let's talk about topic idea 2. Secondly, environment is deteriorating continuously. So it is a well-known fact also. So we can't elaborate this. Simply we need to give some the examples, right? So it is reason by example caused by ubiquity of air transport, rising emission from land waste transportation, discharge of untreated effluent, and lastly deforestation. So this was all about elaboration of topic idea 2. Now as we did in last para, we will be giving the effect of both these idea. Ergo hegemony is being established of western world and global warming is also gradually rising, right? So this was all about today's body para 2. So have a look at conclusion. To conclude, while unrestricted growth of global commerce and providing employment are the two primary benefits of development of this development, despite that drawbacks, primarily neo-imperialism and deterioration of natural surrounding, cannot be overlooked. So simply I have given the summary of body para 1 and body para 2, right? That's all about today's essay. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have any query you can contact Opera IELTS PT Patiala on the given numbers, and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you. Stay safe.